Hello and welcome back to another video. It's such a relief that I don't have to follow the rules. The monetization rules for YouTube, and I can create content that I really like. Even if YouTube blocks me for some reason, even then I can always create a website which I already have and I can upload my content there, and it's an empowering feeling. There are 390 people who search for me on Google every month. The number of searches for Ramesh Kaisar are 390. And I also wanted to talk about why I am so happy that I don't have to upload every other day and I can concentrate on other things. For example, previously I had to upload regularly on YouTube because I wanted my channel to get monetized, and it's such a relief that now I have some other line of work and I don't really care about the YouTube channel. It's as simple as that. I also didn't invest too much on my YouTube channel. I just got this microphone, this camera is not even mine, and stuff like that. I did buy a camcorder for recording myself in HD quality 1080p. That's the only investment that I did. Other than that, I would highly recommend that you opt for doing your own business. You have to see if your YouTube channel is not working, then you have to start your own business immediately. Keep updating the content on Sundays. Focus more on a side hustle. Like for example, you can create a store on Daraz.pk. I'm also planning to create a store on Daraz.pk. The procedure is simple. You need to have a bank account with your name that is also present on your ID card, and you have to attach the checkbook's image for creating an account as a Daraz seller. Initially, I was always importing stuff from Alibaba, Fastech and AliExpress for myself and my family, and for selling it off as well. But now you can see that I'm really relaxed in the video. There is no hard and fast rule. I can record it the way I want it to. Even if YouTube stops showing my videos to other people, I really don't care, because I'm not dependent on YouTube for anything. I have other modes of incomes and they can easily support me. I'm 39 years old and it took me around 40 years to finally come to the conclusion that the business is what you need to do at any cost. A business is a better option when we compare it to doing a job. And I've tasted both the fruits, and the business fruit tastes much better and it's more feasible for me. You can wake up at any time of the day and start your shop. You can automate the stuff, create a decent income for yourself. Now I also don't care about the length of the video, how long it is or how short it is. I can just speak to you directly without any constraints. And again, I would highly recommend that you start a business. Do this YouTube thing as a side hustle. There are only 5% YouTubers that make it to the top, and people love watching entertaining content. I create content that is in English and educational and informational. So YouTube was unsuccessful in finding me the right audience in Pakistan. I was targeting the Pakistani audience. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.